Okay, we're about to install the Cadet 3 toilet with the elongated head, tall seat design. It says it could flush down like a person down a toilet if you want to, so I don't know, that should be good. It's got a 5-year warranty, so this is everything that it says that it comes with, a complete toilet. It does not, although, come with, and I think this is important, it doesn't come with that, which is fantastic. So I need to go get the water supply line. I've got to go and get that. So I didn't buy it because it said complete toilet. So whoops, let me go back and get that. Okay, so for this next part, super easy. All you want to do is you want to get your bolts and put them into your flange, just like the video shows. So there you go. Insert the bolt, just like that. Get your retaining nut and just screw it straight in. Nice and finger tight's good enough. Okay, in case you guys want to use the seal that came with it, you're going to go ahead, get this kind of warm. You could run it under hot water for like a minute or two, and then you're just going to put this right onto there. See that guy? He's going to sit right on top of there, just like right there, just like that. You're going to press down. I don't want to press down too hard because I don't have anything to... It's sitting on the box because I don't have soft carpet for it to sit on. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and press down on this, and then I'm going to go install it. I need both hands, so. But essentially all you're going to do is just press down firmly on this so it's on there nice. You're going to take it over and sit it onto your flange. After that, you're going to go ahead, slide the toilet on there just like that. And just finger tight, hand tight with these, real easy. Okay, so there I picked it up. Set it right down in there. If you look carefully, you can see, it's hard to say it, but some of the wax has actually popped out of there, but that's okay. When you squish it, it just pushes, so it goes all over the place. But that's fine. So now just go ahead and we'll tie this down. With your toilet, you're gonna put these on here and hand tighten only. Don't go crazy with this, just nice and gentle. Okay. Okay, the next part is the toilet tank. You're gonna go ahead and get this piece, and it's gonna slide right on there. Just make sure it's aligned to fit up with the, yeah, come on, get in there. There you go. And then these guys, you're gonna pull them through. Well, actually, you just push them through on the other side. Like that. Just a little bit. You can push them through the rest of the way once it's in. So I'm going to go ahead and put this over there. I need both hands, so I'll be right back. Just pick it up and sit it right there. Right there. Okay. Okay, I set that on there. Now that screw and that screw, you're just going to push them down. And go get the nuts to tighten it. Be right back. Okay, this is what you're going to use. Just go ahead and open it up. I recommend you put these two washers on first. So I'm going to go over there and put them on. One sec. These nuts, these are actually, you can just set them right in here and it'll hold it for you. Get in there, just like that, and put it straight on there and tighten it up, hand tight. Okay, so if you guys were looking at the instructions, you're probably thinking, oh, okay, so I've got this, but the seat actually came with instructions too. So this guy is telling you to install it this way, which is actually, if you look over here, it tells you to go with, yeah, it's not that guy, not that guy, that guy. Bottom mount with zip nuts. So that's what we have over here, the bottom mount with zip ties. So not zip ties, zip nuts, sorry. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it. You can see how easy it is. You just put those there, put that guy, put the nut through there, and you're good. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here I went ahead and put that rubber part right into that. Here, okay, so get this rubber piece. It's just gonna sit right in there. Oh God, it's so dirty. Just right in there like that. Okay, those are in. Now this is ready to go. And well, actually I can go ahead and just put these guys. So mine are gonna be center mounted. So I just got the center washer. If you wanna move it forward or backwards, you use those. So this is just gonna go right in there. Pretty straightforward. Let me go ahead and take it over there one sec. So unfortunately for me, I have that kind, right? This kind right here. And my came with invisible washers. So when I opened the bag, they must have fallen, and they're also lighter than air, so they floated away. So I don't have washers. Instead, I'm just gonna go ahead and install it like this because my invisible lighter than air washers floated away and disappeared. So let's go ahead and install this. This is real easy. So here in the picture, it shows you how it's supposed to go. This side is gonna face the toilet, or the underside. So I'm gonna get it like this, and then just find the screw right there, and then just push up. So I need my hands for this, so 1 second. Now we're gonna go ahead and install this sewer line straight to there. Or not sewer, I'm sorry. The water line. Jeez, why do I want to connect sewer to my toilet? Hold on, I need my hand on. There we go, just nice hand tight, no big deal. This line actually, it's all one piece. It's 15 bucks from, well, you can get it from Lowe's or Home Depot, and it's just, it connects to a 1/2-inch outlet, and it just connects here. So it's one easy shot. It was super easy for me, so I just went with that. Okay, that's good. Now I can turn on the water and test it out. Yeah, now is the moment of truth. Let's see if we have any leaks. If we have any leaks, then dang damn it. Okay, there it goes. And there's no water. Oh, that's right. I turned the water off. Let's go turn the water on. Okay, so got the water back on. Let's go ahead and kick this guy on and see what happens. Alright, there we go. Moment of truth. Let's see if there's any leaks. So maybe I shouldn't leave it just totally on. No, I don't want to leave it totally on. Now just go ahead and look around, see if you got any water anywhere. Oh, hopefully it does not leak. Oh, so anyhow, finishing this part, just close it after you did the hand tight. That's it. So that's going to go ahead and fill up. Now let's take 1 second. Okay, it's filling up with water. Just waiting for this guy to fill up. Still waiting. I'm gonna go ahead and flush it. Now, moment of truth. Is there any water leaking? So now I'm just gonna wait to see if any water leaks. I need to get a couple shims to make sure that this thing doesn't rock. Mainly because it's still, it's not the way I wanted it to. Right now it's too high, and even with the using the wax ring. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple ring, what are they called? A couple shims, plastic shims for this, and then that'll be it. Hey guys, okay, so here it is fully installed. As you can see, I put the shims underneath there. It's kind of hard to see. You can't really see the shims, but I recommend if you guys, I recommend if you have an issue where the floor is not totally level, or your flange, which is under here, is a little bit higher than your floor, then yeah, use the shims. So for me, I ended up using thin shims for this because, like I mentioned before, my flange is just too high, and I didn't want to go through the hassle of cutting it off. So back to the toilet. So checking it out, it looks beautiful. It looks good. It's inexpensive. It's about $150. If you get it on deal, maybe you can get it for a bit underneath that, which would be pretty cool. But this is the American Standard Cadet 3 tall height elongated toilet. So I recommend it. It's nice, flushes well. Like I mentioned before, you could flush a person down this thing, no problem. Maybe, like 50 nuggets. But don't waste the nuggets. Nuggets are tasty. But yeah, if you want to pick this toilet up, you can pick it up at Lowe's, Home Depot, a whole bunch of others. So I'm not sure if you can get this online. I'll check. If you can, then I'll put a link in the description. So if you want to pick it up, you feel very welcome to. Anyhow, that's about it for this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Good luck in your guys' projects, and thank you for watching. If this helped you out at all, please help me out and hit that thumbs up for me, and maybe a subscribe would be cool. All right, thanks a lot. Good luck in your projects, and I'll catch you in the next one.